My family po, like my mom and my sisters, are very supportive of what I do.
Okay.
And other family members din po naman are supportive. Yun nga lang po, they are more on the traditional side na parang,
Okay.
ba't ko raw po ginagawang Jeprox yung tatay ko. But my dad is Jeprox. He would be happy for sure. Kasi po,
Okay.
before po, actually, ang inspiration ko po for my art, no, not inspiration actually, yung feeling ko po nakuha ko at tamaan ako yung arts from my dad.
Really?
Kasi, oh yes po. Before po kasi nagsa-Saudi siya. So
Okay.
nakikita ko po, meron po siyang maraming maleta na may mga letters for my mom. Tapos may mga illustration, mga drawings,
Wow.
mga like calligraphy. Hindi pa po calligraphy yung time niya, pan-lettering pa.
Oo,
Yung
lettering pa
Opo.
tawag doon.
So ang ganda po. So I don't think my dad would hate me or
Mm,
would be mad if I paint something like that. Kasi ganun po yung ano niya, personality niya. I think he would be happy.
And feeling ko matatawa siya na ginawa mong cigarette box yung,
Yes.
yung food niya. I mean, when you take a look at yung reaction ng family mo, especially nung naging, well, aminin na natin, bisyo yung iba.
Yes, po,
Ginawa
bisyo
mong
talaga
bisyo.
siya.
Wala bang violent reaction nun?
Sa lola ko po, yes. Na parang,
I'm sure.
yes.
Medyo conservative kasi pag
Yes.
older
Oo.
generation,
And I
right?
understand. Pero
yeah.
hindi ko naman po ni-stop. Parang, tatay ko naman po yun eh.
Oh, yeah,
Can do
of
whatever I
course.
want.
And it's not like you're disrespecting your
Yeah.
dad's
Yes.
grave, diba? You're
Opo.
actually honoring him in a very creative way.